You know, last night I had blueberry pie and French fries.
Together?
Not me.
Not me. I can't even remember what I had last night. What did I have last night?
Last night we had pasta.
Oh, we didn't have any pie.
Pasta and tilapia. Fish and pasta.
What do you think of this, William?
He likes his blueberry pie
It's good.
and his French fries.
You know, last night I had blueberry pie.
What do you think of this, Waldo?
I can't remember when I last had blueberry pie.
What did you have, Charlie? Last night?
Cereal and eggs.
No!
Wait a minute, say that again?
Cereal and eggs.
Cereal and eggs. Now, cereal and eggs, is that a speciality?
Well, that was after I had dinner.
Oh, and what did you have for dinner?
Fish scraps.
I did.
With fish juice?
Well, I guess it was juice that came off of the fish.
This video camera is horrible.
It is a very nice video
It gets
camera.
really bad.
Yeah, but you've got it under the light.
It gets
Why
bad.
do you need
It gets really bad light.
Because it's under the light.
You
Don't put it under the light.
need a hood.